Offering all the benefits of low-maintenance, eco-friendly bamboo composite that Eva-Last is synonymous with, Eva-tech broadens accessibility to composite technology with the most cost-effective decking brand available in the range. Thanks to incorporating the patented I-Series design, Eva-tech maintains strength and span capabilities while using less material, which makes it lighter and more cost-effective to produce, transport, and install. When it comes to safety, Eva-tech is highly regarded for its slip resistance. With minimal cleaning required, Eva-tech is a low-maintenance alternative, offering the look of timber without the constant upkeep. Its reliable durability is long-lasting, and its decay and weather resistance provides protection from biodegradation, insects, and harsh weather. Eva-tech offers a holistically sustainable decking solution, from solar power use in the manufacturing plant to the raw materials of bamboo and recyclable plastics, to its ability to endure years of use without costly maintenance requirements. Available in a selection of natural colors, Eva-tech offers a cost-effective, reliable, and sustainable deck with a 10-year warranty. Eva-tech. Affordability meets timeless quality. Eva-Last. Inspired by nature, designed for life.